Good morning, sir. Myself, Dakshayani. I am from 2nd CSC A section, bearing roll number 2343180 My topic for CAA II assignment is Protection in Operating System. Introduction to Protection in Operating System. Protection refers to the mechanisms that controls the access of programs, processes, or users to resource defined by the computer system. Why it matters means to ensure system integrity, confidentiality, and secure operations, especially in multi-user and networked environments. Objectives of protection: prevent unauthorized users from accessing systems resources. It ensures the legitimate users do not interface with each other. It provides a secure environment for executing processes, and it also avoids accidental or malicious damage to resources. Why we need protections, which means it includes hardware resources, software resources, and data communication channels. These are the four types of methods, and we have to protect these. Hardware resources like CPU, memory, disk drives, and input-output devices. Software resources: files, programs, processes. Data: user and system data. Communication channels through network resources and ports. Confidentiality: it ensures that sensitive data is accessed only by authorized users. For example, file permissions, encryption, and user login. We have to set a password for these. This is the one type of protection we use nowadays. The importance of this is it prevents the data leaks, protects privacy. Goal number 2: integrity. Integrity means it ensures that the data and system resources are only modified in authorized ways. For examples, file write protection, checksums, digital signatures. The importance of this integrity means protects from tampering, accidental corruption, or malicious software. And goal number 3: availability. It ensures that authorized users have reliable access to resources when needed. Examples: authentication, verifying the identity of users, processes. The techniques which is involved are passwords, biometric, and two-factor authentication. The purpose is to ensure only trusted entities can interact with the systems. Authorization, granting access to system resources based on authenticated identity. The techniques in which authorization involves access control list, role-based access control, and access control matrix. The purpose of authorization is prevents unauthorized use of resources. Accountability, tracking actions of users and processes for auditing and forensic analysis. Components which are logging, audit trails, system monitoring. The purpose of accountability is to help trace security breaches and enforce user responsibility. Protection mechanism in operating systems: access control matrix, capabilities list, security policies, and encryption, and also hashing. Access control matrix, it defines the rights of subjects, that is users, over resources. Resources means objects. Capabilities list, each user or process has a list of accessible resources. And the security policies, which defines the rules of access and behavior. Encryption and hashing, it protects the data in storage and transit. Implementation challenges, that is balancing usability and security. Performance overhead of protection mechanism, managing dynamic resource allocation, dealing with insider threats and social engineering. Real life examples of protection, that is Unix or Linux operating system, Windows operating system, and mobile operating system, that is Android, iOS. Unix or Linux, it involves the file permissions, that is RWX, and sudo command. Windows, user account control and NTFS permissions. Android, iOS, app sandboxing permission models. Conclusion: protection in operating system is essential to ensure security, stability, and privacy. The key goals, it includes the confidentiality, integrity, availability, authentication, authorization, and finally accountability. These goals help to prevent unauthorized access and maintain a safe computing environment. Thank you.